Today I'll be showing you how to build this Lego Star Wars Droideka. So the pieces that you're going to need are one 2x2 dark gray circle, one 2x2 brown circle with the one stud in the middle, 3 of these robot arm thingy pieces, 2 light gray 1x1 clips, 1 brown 1x1 clip, 1 dark gray 1x1 stud, 1 light gray 1x1 stud, 1 light gray 1x1 bar, 2 light gray 1x1 of these clips, 2 brown 1x1 one of these clips, 1 light gray of these bracket pieces, 2 light gray pistol pieces, 1 brown 1x2 slope, 1 dark gray 1x1 thing with the 2 studs on the end, 2 dark gray binocular pieces, 1 1x2 brown plate, and 1 of these kind of modified lightsaber handles in light gray. Alright, so the first piece you're going to need is the brown 2x2. You're going to flip it over and you're going to take one of your clips and you're going to put it on the bottom like that, and then you put on the other clip like that. And then your 1x1 light gray stud will go like that, and your 1x1 with the bar will go on the other side so that it looks like that. So next you're going to take your 2x2 dark gray circle and you're going to place that on top. And then you're going to take your 3 of these robot arm pieces. One of them is going to clip onto the back, and then the other 2 are going to clip onto those, so then you have something that looks like that. So next you're going to take this 1x1 bracket piece and you're going to put it in the center of the dark gray circle facing the direction of the back leg, like that. And then you're going to take the dark gray piece, this one, and you're going to put it on the back like that. Then your dark gray stud will go on the back of that, like that. Now your 2 light gray 1x1 clips, these ones, they will go facing down, the clips facing down. So then we have it like that on top of the dark gray. Make sure they're like all the way forward. And then we're going to take your 2 pistol pieces in light gray. I'm going to attach them to the clips like that and make sure they're pushed all the way up and that they're straight. And then your 2 binocular pieces will attach onto the handles of the pistols facing outwards. So make sure you orient them so that they are flat like that. And then your 2 brown 1x1 clips, those will attach onto the bottom of the pistols. And then you can kind of leave them out like that for now. you can adjust them later. Next, you're going to take your 1x2 slope and your 1x2 plate, and you're going to put them on top of each other like that. And then your modified lightsaber handle is going to go on like that on top of the slope. And then your brown clip will go on top of that, on top of the lightsaber handle, so that it looks like that. And this whole thing will go and stick onto the back stud. And now we can adjust the back section. So these guys will go all the way in, as far as they can go. So like that. And then you're gonna wanna angle the guns in a little bit, like that. So that is the Lego Star Wars Droideka.